Is it still on?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey there, community. I am here with Hart Ripley from Mobia. Catching up again. We always catch up at these conferences, so good to see you
again, Boo.
Yeah. So, this week so far, it's for those watching, this is the end of day 2-ish here at Red Hat Summit, asking folks what they have picked up from Red Hat Summit so far. So, Hart, what's the big theme for you?
Well, obviously a lot of talk of AI. I think any conferences right now, that's kind of front and center, but Red Hat's taken the angle of the open source piece where they play and advocate for, and kind of brought that to the enterprise space as well, right? So how they've integrated AI into Red Hat Enterprise Linux, more OpenShift stuff, et cetera. It's pretty exciting. Everything's really centered around that, especially some of the IBM synergies with Watson. So it's been a good refresher for sure.
Yeah. It should be pretty interesting. I think somebody just won a prize over there, so good for them. OpenShift virtualization, thoughts on that?
Yeah, we've been looking at it for a little while now. Seen a lot more demos this week. It's been great to see some customer presentations of what they've done with it. Some of the use cases, some of the reasons, some of the workloads they brought over. Great alternative for VMware for some clients, right? With some of that uncertainty. Common experience, the OpenShift GUI, the OpenShift interface, a lot of that declarative stuff you're used to with, the Kubernetes world. And really just helping, migrate stuff over, giving customers choice. Not saying that you have to do a full migration, but now if you're in the Red Hat ecosystem, it's a very good option.
Yeah, ecosystem is a good word, because I think the ecosystem's there now. I mean, F5's been in the ecosystem for a while, but you walk around here, and you see more and more like mainstream names in the ecosystem participating in a big way. So I think probably all the tooling, I'm saying probably, and speaking in generalities here, but probably a lot of the tooling that people are used to in the other ecosystems out there are probably existing now.
Yeah, I think, there's a lot of integrations, right? Every time you come here, you see more names popping up, right? You see more synergies, you see more customers have tried new things, right? From a Red Hat perspective, Ansible is always the glue of everything, right? So now the automation platform is additional features, additional use cases, more integrations, right? More APIs. There's a lot of good workflow demos that we've seen this week in terms of whether it's virtual machine migration, whether it's day 2 operations or config management, or a lot of ServiceNow and ITSM stuff. So there's a lot more things to get the gears turning in terms of use cases, and customers have started to try new things and bring in more tool sets, and it's been interesting. It's a good perspective because you get out of your consistency and see kind of what everyone else is doing. So.
Cool, awesome. Thanks for your perspective, Hart.
Yeah, Boo. Good to see you again. Thanks.
All right, thanks, folks.
Take care.
Catch you on some more videos. Like, subscribe, and I'll do all those things. Bye now.
See you guys.